Have you ever wondered how a piece of glass knows you're touching it? Seriously, what kind of black magic is this? 1 second your phone is just sand, and the next it's a super intelligent slab that obeys your every poke and swipe. Let me show you how that happens science style. Step 1. Glass. From sand to superhero. First, you need glass. Sounds easy, right? Melt some high-purity silica sand, pour it into a mold, boom. You've got glass. Problem. This glass breaks like your New Year's resolutions. Not ideal for phones. Enter Gorilla Glass. Scientists gave the glass a chemical manicure, making it ridiculously strong while still transparent. This is why your phone can survive the occasional drop, but don't test it too much. Your insurance might hate you. Step 2. Touch. How the magic works. There are two main types of touchscreens. The clunky ones on McDonald's kiosks and the sleek ones on your phone or tablet. McDonald's kiosk screens, these have two layers. A top plastic layer and a bottom glass layer, both coated in a conductive material. Touch the screen and voila. Electricity flows. The secret? A grid pattern of electricity. Touch point detected. Processor calculates location, screen reacts. Downside. You have to press hard, it's not super precise and it's clunky. Perfect for fast food kiosks. Not your delicate thumbs. Your phone, the fancy capacitor trick. Your phone's screen is smarter. It has 4 layers. Gorilla Glass on top. 2 clear diamond-shaped grids of conductive material. Let's color them for clarity. An insulator layer in between. The grids act like a capacitor, holding charges in place. When your finger or even a hot dog approaches, it changes the electric field, which the processor detects. Touch registered. Magic? Nope. Pure science. Why fingers but not gloves? Fingers conduct electricity, gives change in field, gives touch detected. Gloves insulate, gives no change, gives touch ignored. Why weird behavior when hands are wet? Water conducts electricity at multiple points, gives confusing signal, gives phone says. What the heck is happening? Step 3. Display. How colors pop. Now that your phone knows you're touching it, how does it show colors? Zoom in really close, like microscopic close, and you'll see pixels. Each pixel is made of 3 tiny sub-pixels, red, green, and blue. On top of each is a dimmer. Want red? Dim green and blue completely. Want purple? 50% red, 50% blue, green off. Want white? All 100%. Millions of pixels, infinite color possibilities, all perfectly timed with your touch inputs. Your phone isn't magic, it's millions of tiny switches playing a perfectly orchestrated electric symphony. Step 4. Bonus science. Why hot dogs work funny, right? You can touch a screen with your finger, or even a hot dog. Why? Conductivity. Your finger or a hot dog allows electricity to flow. Gloves? Insulators? Wet hands? Chaos. Water conducts too much at once, gives phone confusion. Step 5. Why this matters? Think about it. A simple slab of glass can detect exactly where you touch, in milliseconds, while changing colors and reacting instantly. It's like having a tiny electric psychic in your pocket. And all of this comes from sand, science, and a pinch of genius. Pretty amazing, right? Closing hook call to action. So the next time you swipe through TikTok or play games, remember, your phone isn't magic, it's science. If you enjoyed this, smash that like. Subscribe for more mind-blowing tech explanations. And comment, what's the weirdest thing you've touched on a touchscreen? Your phone is watching, your hot dog is judging, and science is winning.